Speak. This AI system replaces a $3,000 per month freelancer and it starts at $19. Break time equals 600 ms / Relevance AI lets you build a no-code AI workforce. Break time equals 600 ms / one agent scrapes leads. Break time equals 600 ms / another qualifies. Break time equals 600 ms / another pitches. Break time equals 600 ms / no code. Break time equals 600 ms / no hiring. Break time equals 600 ms / but there is a trap. Break time equals 600 ms / their workforce feature chains 5+ agents together. Break time equals 600 ms / each one remembers context across sessions. Break time equals 600 ms / clients see a branded team, not a chatbot. Break time equals 600 ms / you white label the whole interface as your own system. Break time equals 600 ms / comment below. Break time equals 300 ms / are you replacing freelance work or starting an agency? That answer changes everything. Break time equals 600 ms / I'll be straight with you. Free plan gives you 200 actions per month and I burned through that in 2 days of real testing. Break time equals 600 ms / pro is $19 per month but caps at 2,500 actions. Break time equals 600 ms / one active client burns that in 3 days. Break time equals 600 ms / actions and vendor credits are billed separately since September 2025. Break time equals 600 ms / you will hit team tier at $234 per month faster than you think. Break time equals 600 ms / developer? Skip Relevance AI entirely. Break time equals 600 ms / self-host N8N on a $10 Hetzner server, unlimited executions, 70+ AI nodes, 0 action limits. Break time equals 600 ms / drop in the comments. Break time equals 300 ms / dev or no code? Your answer changes the whole math on this tool. Break time equals 600 ms / score. Break time equals 300 ms / 7.2 out of 10. Break time equals 600 ms / best for solo operators charging $500 to $1,500 per client per month. Break time equals 600 ms / white label UI is the real differentiator, that is what justifies the retainer. Break time equals 600 ms / but budget for team tier from day one or the math breaks fast. Break time equals 600 ms / what are you charging right now? Tell me below. Break time equals 600 ms / link in the description. Break time equals 600 ms / subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.